Hey there Kelsey fans, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the unboxing of newly purchased Telenor 4G Wingle device. This right here is the box of this Telenor 4G device. This is the seal right here. This right here is the SIM card of this Telenor 4G Wingle device. So it's a 4G Wingle. The features are written down here. Speed up to 150 Mbps, plug and play etc. Check out the front of this box. Telenor 4G up to 150 Mbps, superior indoor coverage. So let me take out this 4G Wingle device, and there's a cardboard piece inside. I'm gonna pull it off. Can you see that? This is Telenor 4G Broadband Wingle device. This is how it looks like from the top, and this is how it looks like from the bottom, which is obviously exactly same as that of the bottom of Zong 4G or Warwith 4G or Mobile Link 3G. This is its cap. This is its cover. This right here is the memory card or the SD card slot. We can insert here the SD card and use this Wingle device as a card reader. And this right here is the SIM slot where we're gonna insert this 4G internet SIM of Telenor. So let me take out this internet SIM. You can make use of scissors. So this is how we're gonna insert it to the SIM card slot and close the cover. And now it's ready to go. Just plug and play. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and share this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button right here. Thanks for watching.